After multiple driver issues, I believe it is time for Deadpool yet again. We have returned to this masked murderer of messy, masked murderedness. This. Anyway, I am Burnin Emblem, and I am here to satisfy you all who are watching. I hope that you all enjoy, and I am about to charge back in on this.
If you insist on me building this thing, then I'll need 2 parts. My readings show the first one is that way.
Muchos chimichangas, amigo.
Right away, my good buddy. Now let's go. It was through here? Yeah, through here, just like from last time.
Yo, Summers. Thought you said this was the way to go. Door's locked.
3, 2. Almost had the timing right.
What the hell, Summers?
I learned it by watching you, all right?
This is very true. He has the healing factor. Just doesn't even matter.
Are we sure this plan is going to work?
Yeah. Cable can build anything if we just get him the parts. You can build sex robots?
That's right. The Deadpool shorts. That's great. Let's just all stare at Deadpool's ass for a little bit, okay? Just check out that sexy ass. All right, moving on. Where is it that we are going to go? I believe these guys are just about to die. Lag time is right now, apparently. Deadpool doesn't know the meaning of lag. Well, strike that, actually. He probably would, because, you know, his mere existence causes lag in the universe. Slice and dice. Okay, cool. Oh, wait, I got the hammers last time, didn't I? Oh, wait, no, it didn't save that. Okay. Oh, wrong button. Yes! My hammers of justice. Ooh, shiny. Alrighty then, now we have these fine hammers. Oh wait, anything else that I got? No. I didn't upgrade those, never mind. I'll just have to use them some more then. Is there someone I can sneaky kill? Sneaky, sneaky, sneaky? Nobody around here? Apparently not, okay. That is unfortunate, because if I'm not mistaken, the sneak kill with
that sentinel part
hammers
thingy
are awesome.
Great. Let's get it.
Platforming Deadpool edition.
What's with the big hands?
Woo!
Sentinels. They tore this island apart. Killed millions.
All right, let's see. Oh,
be
duh.
such a
It's
downer.
green light. It means go up. Whee! Woo again. Now. Thank you for that power cell.
Let's find a thing to put this thing in.
Deadpool innuendos everywhere. Absolutely everywhere. All right. Can we make this is the question. The answer is probably no, but let's try it anyway. Not quite. That's okay. Fine, we'll just use the bottom one. Does this one shoot lasers? Oh, I don't think it does. No, there we go. That should work for my purposes. Doopy-doopy-doopy-doopy-doo. What's up, guys? Hey! Fine then, what? Do I need it to be higher up or something? Or do I need it all the way down to crush the gate or something? Oh, apparently I just need to take it down. So it seems. That way I can grab this stuff and walk through here. I was hoping to just go over it.
Hey, more bad guys.
No stealth kills for me, it seems. Deadpool smash. Like I said, these hammers are fantastic.
But is it big enough?
Nope, not big enough.
Welcome aboard, ladies
Nope.
and gentlemen. We're preparing for takeoff.
Second. Oh, so many guys. Where did all of you come from? I swear there were not this many guys like 2 seconds ago. Woo! I'll just let that healing factor work its magic for a second. No, I mean, really, guys, where did you all come from? Was there like a party right around the corner? And why wasn't I invited? Come on, Tim, I know you. We've been friends. I like your mom. Wait, did I really say that out loud? No, never mind. Bye, Tim. I'd say it's not known you, but really it wasn't. You were a terrible person. I mean, you got in with the wrong crowd. Then again, who am I to talk because of Deadpool, so... Hey, at least I have fun doing my stuff anyway. I don't go for meager henchman positions. I just kill whatever I feel like. And this is why I'm the one with the video game and you aren't.
Major league talent right there.
Sorry, Tim. Man, it just squishes them, doesn't it? He's so squishy. The viscera, it's everywhere.
Let's plug it in.
Now, where do I take you? I'm going to assume through this door. Hey, look, I was probably right. Insert the power cell, my friend.
Nice job.
Ooh,
Very
pull
good.
some strings.
Very satisfying hot chocolate that I have here with me as well. The perfect gaming snack. Or beverage, I mean. Why? Because that's where I came from. So, I don't really understand why I needed to do that. There has to be something else. Maybe there's not. Well, let's see. Let's try it, pulling it as much as we can the other way. Because that was how it was started. So I guess... I don't really find much need in that, though. Because that's just, again, just where we started. Because, yeah, I was just over here, and then we used that. And I can't reach up there. Was this gate already down? No, it probably pushed it down. That's what it did.
We need to find a way to get that part up there for Cable.
Oh, wait. I have to get the part right. Totally on point with this. Ouch. Where was that part again? Oh, there it is. How about I just shoot it out?
Why am I doing this?
All right. Why won't you just reload, apparently? Break! Whatever. Okay. Plan Z. Because B is too mainstream. Okay, it's right there.
Hey, what's up?
Da-da-da-da-da-da. So, how do I get there is the question. I would say rocket power roller skates are the answer, but sadly I'm straight out of those. Let's see. There's that landing from earlier, but I couldn't make that jump. So, let's try running through here again. Ooh, 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 another idea. Now that that's open, I can use that to jump towards this.
Yay! We turned on both of the sentinel arms.
And how does this help us?
There you go. Now it's making sense. Woo! Alright, 3, 2, woo! Not quite. Come on, totally got this. Totally got this. Alright, there we go.
Sweet. Let's get this piece of crap back to Cable.
Why do we need this again?
Let me just grab all these points. Check out around here. Man, it's so hot in this room. That's the only downside about streaming in this area that I am in. It's a tad toasty. So, rock music, let's go. I'm tired of your guns, my friend. How about I just remove them, along with your hands, and just about the rest of your body. And squish, and squish, and squish. Come on, one more. Haha, there we go. Guns, that's no fair. Get out of here with you and your fancy guns. Ah. I just wanted to shoot him in the face, but that didn't work out so well.
Hey, babe. What are you doing here? Wait, what?
Reference to the love of Deadpool's life, which is death itself. Which, funny enough, is someone that he's never really had a chance to be with because he can't die. Yay, healing factor. I'm starting to not like gun coding, guys. Just saying.
You look a little, what's the word I'm looking for here? Now would be a good time to do something awesome. That's heavy. I can't teleport yet.
That works. Ooh,
Now these should
nasty. I'm gonna be cleaning that one up. Clean up aisle 3. Yeah, that would be preferable. You know, get somebody to clean that up, would you? Okay, I don't care. I'm just gonna keep moving on. All right, guys. Who cares about that? Hey, look, it's Cable. Let me just grab these. I swear if that way was open the whole time, I am going to just hammer somebody in the face.
Yo, Cable! Found the first part! Woohoo!
Where are you at?
Excellent. You're one step closer to your demise. There is another
Can I
part I
grind?
need before we can get started.
Oh, ye of little faith.
You should be able to find it north of here. Now get your ass moving.
Sir, yes, sir. Lieutenant, stick up your ass. I'm just kidding. Cable's pretty cool of a guy.
2 parts? Really? Hey, Rome wasn't built in a day.
You know, unless you play Assassin's Creed, then it was built in like 5 seconds. What is up with all this lag? I don't know what's going on. Pardon me while I sip some hot chocolate. I'm amazingly professional. Thank you all for noticing.
Are you ready to die?
Yo, what's up, guys? Now, who of you is the one... Oh, it's probably both of the people with the shields. That's right. Well, that's unfortunate.
Come on, you're not even trying.
Just means I gotta separate them. That's okay. Put baby in the corner. Next! Squish! Nope. Still nope.
You're glue. Nope, you're dead.
Nope, you're dead. Deadpool has the stupidest but the best one-liners I have heard of pretty much any character, superhero or otherwise. He's just like, yeah, okay, never mind, you're dead.
Hey, it's a hammer. Don't overthink it.
Don't overthink it. I just need to get them away from each other. You know what? Fine, get out of here. Ugh, just barely missed them. Okay. New plan.
That
How about-
probably gonna bruise.
I try to hit all of you over that way. Then I will toss you away. Gosh dang it, no. These guys are immortal! I swear to you they are. Boom! Get out of here, almost. Fine. There we go. Now I can finally finish these ones off. At last. The immortals are about to be slain.
Hey, it's a hammer. Don't overthink it.
Haha. Stab. Not really, because all you do with hammers is smash. Smash and smash and smash. Just like Super Smash Bros. Ah, so satisfying. Now we move on to me falling down this area. Hello everyone, and today we are with Deadpool in his natural habitat, sneaking around and killing everything that
There's the other sentinel part Cable needs.
Alright, now the Deadpool is waiting in his natural habitat, staying close to walls and awaiting for poor little bastards to be slain from behind. Sneaky, 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 and... oh, fine. I wanted to make it cool, but you had to ruin my fun. That's okay, you get smashed for that. Boom! Oh yay, everybody has guns here. This'll be wonderful. Ah,
Teleport yet. Try
didn't mean
again.
to teleport right there. Ollie oxen free. Come over here. Actually, I'll check these real quick. So enemies with your strikes. Stun a shades on. That's awesome. No, I'll just want more money. And then I'll stun a shades on. And then I'll add damage. Then I'll add more damage. Oh wait, it doesn't allow me to add any more damage. That's okay. Boom! Squish. Alright, now you're next. Except for he doesn't last very long. Poor little guy. Hey, guess what though? He has friends who are also about to die. I don't even know how I got up that. Camera was a little bit wonky for a second. How about you just fall off? There we go. I don't care about that momentum.
Anger issues.
Boom! There we go. Moving on then. Grab this, jump up here, grab all that, grab a power
It's
cell.
our favorite power cell.
Favorite for sure, you know, because we're just gonna use and abuse you. Alright, now where am I going to put you, my pretty? Ha 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 ha. Wait, can I wall jump this? Ah, almost. Okay, maybe. Hey, fine. Apparently, it doesn't want me backflipping and being so cool and doing that, but you know, the limitations of games such as this. Exhibit B, I can't break down fences with giant hammers. Grab all this stuff.
Imagine if your name was Dick.
That was random. I don't even know. Deadpool, where the heck are you taking me? Hardest puzzles to ever finish in a game ever via Deadpool. Whee! Well, I see where I need to put it. You put the lime in the coconut and shake it all up. Which I thought I could just jump up there, but apparently not.